Alright guys, I'm here with my project computer that I built. Yeah, I was supposed to upload a video on actually building this thing, but right now I was actually editing it and I noticed the lighting was bad. So I'm just showing you guys the finished product right here. You can see the inside through the glass side. Alright, there's a little CPU vent right here, which you can see my CPU. And then we got the front. And now let's turn it on so you guys can see the fan turns on. It looks actually really nice at night. On the side, it gets lighted up too. But you guys probably won't notice that because it's daytime. And to show you, and there it is booting up. I've been meaning to actually upload the video of me building it. Here, check it out. This is my friend's computer. He lends me to edit my videos, but I noticed the lighting was bad, so I didn't want to put that up because that's gonna look bad. So yeah, I mean the computer's been very good. The processor is very fast. I still need a graphics card, but besides that, I haven't had any complaints. And there it is. Well, thanks for watching.